natural health for beginners.
Are you tired, cracked, or sore feet bothering you? A refreshing foot cream made with eucalyptus and peppermint might be the perfect solution. This DIY recipe combines the soothing, revitalizing properties of natural ingredients to nourish your skin, relieve foot fatigue, and leave your feet feeling rejuvenated. Let's dive into this easy and effective recipe with exact quantities. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup shea butter, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil, or jojoba oil as an alternative, 1 tablespoon beeswax for a firmer consistency, 10 drops eucalyptus essential oil, 8 drops peppermint essential oil, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, optional but recommended for added nourishment. Equipment needed: double boiler, or a heat-safe bowl and a saucepan, spatula or whisk, mixing bowl, sterilized glass jar or tin for storage. Step-by-step instructions. Melt the base ingredients. Add the shea butter, coconut oil, and beeswax to a double boiler. Heat gently over low heat until all ingredients are fully melted. Stir occasionally to ensure even melting. Incorporate the carrier oil. Once melted, remove the mixture from the heat. Add the sweet almond oil, or jojoba oil, to the mixture and stir thoroughly. Cool slightly before adding essential oils. Allow the mixture to cool slightly, but not harden. Then, add the eucalyptus essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and vitamin E oil. Stir well to combine. Whip for a creamy texture, optional. For a smoother, whipped texture, use a small hand whisk or an electric hand mixer to whip the mixture as it cools. Transfer to storage container. Pour the cream into a sterilized glass jar or tin. Allow it to set completely at room temperature before sealing with a lid. Label and store. Label your jar with the date and contents. Store the cream in a cool, dry place. It should last for up to 3 months. How to use. Clean and dry your feet thoroughly. Massage a small amount of the foot cream onto your feet, focusing on dry or sore areas. For best results, use before bedtime and wear socks overnight for deep hydration. Benefits of Eucalyptus and Peppermint Foot Cream. Eucalyptus essential oil. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, it soothes tired muscles and refreshes your skin. Peppermint essential oil. Offers a cooling sensation that helps reduce foot fatigue and leaves a minty fresh scent. Shea butter and coconut oil. Deeply moisturizing, excellent for repairing dry, cracked skin. Beeswax. Locks in moisture and provides a protective barrier. Creating your own eucalyptus and peppermint foot cream is a rewarding, easy, and cost-effective way to pamper your feet. Plus, you have complete control over the ingredients, making it an excellent natural alternative to store-bought creams. Try this recipe and give your feet the care they deserve. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.